welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to move Safari address bar from the bottom here all the way to the top. There's two different methods to do this, so let's jump into the first one straight away. You want to head to the iPhone settings, and on the iPhone settings you want to scroll all the way down until you get Safari, and then you want to tab into that, and then from the Safari options you want to scroll down slightly so you see tabs here, and you can see tab bar and single tab. Now the tab bar is at the bottom as you can see in the picture, and the single tab is at the top. So if you want to move it back to the top, you want to tab single tab. So now we've done that, let's come back out and head over to Safari, and as you can see Safari's moved the address bar all the way to the top. You can come back over to the settings and select tab bar, and as you can see when we go back to Safari it's at the bottom again. Now the second way is much quicker. You want to click this little AA symbol here at the bottom in the address bar. Then you'll get this little pop-up menu, and you can see right at the top of the menu, Show Top Address Bar. And you want to tap onto this, and this will quickly move the Safari address bar to the top. And again, if you want to move it to the bottom, you tap the little AA symbol, and then tap on Show Bottom Tab Bar. And this will move the address bar to the bottom. So that's two different ways how to move Safari's address bar from the bottom to the top, or from the top to the bottom. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.